Your first meditation. To begin meditation, find a place where you can sit comfortable and quietly close your eyes and do nothing for a minute, so thought may come during that time, and that is okay. Then start the audio below and play your mantra at a whisper. Each time you hear your mantra, say it quietly inside without moving your tongue or lips. Then continue saying that mantra quietly inside for your more minute. If thoughts come during that time, gentle return to saying your mantra quietly inside. The audio will tell you when 4 minutes is overflow. This instruction for your first meditation only. After your first meditation, follow the instruction in the daily practice meditation. If you create your own mantra outside in the first, from now on use the mantra above and then expand further. Daily practice of meditation every morning and every evening for 15 to 30 minutes. It is best to meditate before you eat. Try to meditate in a quiet place, but if you do not have quiet place, you meditate, that is okay. Noise is not a barrier to meditating. Sit quietly, close your eyes and do nothing for a minute or so. Thought will come, and that's okay. It is natural to have thoughts during meditation. After a minute or so, in the same natural way that thought come, and without moving your tongue or lips, quietly inside start saying your mantra. Slowly repeat your mantra until you are done your meditating. When thoughts come, gently natural to saying your mantra. When you finish meditating, lay down and rest for 4 to 5 minutes. At time you may be saying your mantra uncleanly, and that is okay. At time you may not be saying your mantra at all, and instead your mantra may be a sense or feeling of your mantra, and that's okay. At all time thought and your mantra may disappear, and your may simple we honor, and that's okay.